and good night. That's what's going on outside, but that's not gonna stop us, girl. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new wet, rainy. I guess spring has just landed. It's raining here in France, cat sundog, but I am off work today and I'm off work tomorrow, and you're seeing me blurry. So my husband decided that, okay honey, I'm taking this opportunity to take you away for 2 days, girl. So we packed up our belongings. You want to show Faves? When we get out of the tunnel, I'll show you Faves. We packed up our belongings and we're on a little road trip for 2 days. So of course, I'm taking you guys along with me on the fan band. Say morning, husband.
Good morning.
Sarah, say hello to Faves. Tai sleeping. You guys see him sleeping? Leave him, Sarah, no! He's sleeping, let him sleep. And she's up, bushy tail and bright eye. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to Italy. We are heading to Italy. We are heading to a city that I always tell babe that I want to visit. You see, I love when my husband listens. I love when my husband listens to my rants and my requests indirectly. I always want to visit this city called Pisa. Pisa in Italy have a very famous monument of a building that is leaned to one side, and I always think it's the most beautiful thing when I see it in photos. So I always say that I want to visit, and I didn't know that that's where we're going until we drove out this morning, because he told me to pack but he didn't tell us where we're going. It was a surprise, so I'm happy that that's where we're going. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, you guys, so your girl's traveling this morning. We're on a road trip. You know, we live for a road trip, and since we bought our new car, it's the first time we're going on a road trip with it. It's the first time we're taking a long drive. So though it's raining, but we decided that we're not gonna let the rain stop us from enjoying our time. So if it will be pouring, then we'll be in the rain. Okay, though I'm stuffy, the kids sneezing, but we're having we have our umbrella, we have our jackets, we have cover. So let's see what the day brings, but whatever it is, then I'll share that with you guys. This is what they call aquaplanage. When it's raining and you have to be careful with your tire and all that.
Yeah,
sliding. Okay. Anyway, you guys, have a good day and enjoy today's vlog. Hi guys! 4 hours later, we're in these trees. Let me take off my hoodie. Flattening down my little bun. Look how my bun flat now. Anyway, you guys, 4 hours later we've arrived and it's raining, but we have our jackets, our raincoat, we have our umbrella. That's Tyler, that's Papa, that's Sarah. It's not raining too hard, but we've arrived in Italy. We are in a city, a small city called Luca. L-U-C-C-A. We're in a small city called Luca, and it's recommended to visit the old town. I'm kind of shouting because we're walking along traffic and I don't know if you guys can hear me. So if you see this wall behind me, the old town is inside of this wall. So we were trying to find the entrance to go inside the wall. So there is no vehicle that can drive to go inside the wall. So we had to find a parking on the outside of the wall. I'm trying to get a proper lighting because this is not showing so well. Maybe it's the umbrella. So, yeah, there we go. But I can't let the rain with the camera. So we're trying to we'll find a parking paid and no walking to go inside the wall. So hopefully I can capture as much for you guys while we are in this little city before we move on to the next. So So a rainy day adventure here in Italy. See ya. Look at them. Hi. Go. Here's the visiting Luca City. Inside the city. I don't know where that takes you, but some kind of underground bike and walk space. Wow, look at all this greenery. Look how beautiful that is. So we're going on the inside of this wall. Everybody out with their umbrellas because we're not letting this rain stop our adventure, shawty. Look at my team. My team. Alright, so we found the entrance of the wall and we're going in. Hi! You're inside? We're going in. Honey, honey, honey. €1 just fall out your pocket. Fais attention, Tyler.
No.
No, Sarah, no. Capuche, Ty, capuche. Keep it over your head. Don't take it off. Put up your umbrella, Ty, over your head. Sarah, go. Well, it will extra protection. Yes, it makes sense. Go, Sarah, go. Follow Papa. Follow Papa. Sarah, go to Papa. That's okay. Follow Papa. Look in front of you. Look in front of you. I know. That's okay. The small streets of Europe. This is the beauty of Europe, is the small streets. Come here. Come on. Cheese. Sausage, yes. Jump, Sarah.
Peppa Pig. Yeah, Peppa Pig.
Why do? Come on, let's go. Yes. Yeah, Peppa Pig. We dress for the rain. Look, Sarah, this one.
I'm jumping. This is the small pig.
Come on, come. I have no idea what this statue is, but it looks pretty interesting. I think we're like in the center of this place with historical buildings. There's a church. This white one that's in front of me is a church. And then you have lots of restaurants around it. They call this spot like the plaza. Sarah is jumping in every water that she sees. I'm here. And there's quite a few people out even though it's raining, as you guys can see. Come! Come! Sarah, no! Come! Now! You're gonna wet up inside your shoes. That's why I tell you, do not jump in the big ones. Do you hear me? Okay? You see? It's wet. Right. You're not listening. Don't jump in the big ones. Stop. Stop, princess. Stop. 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 Heading to this tower in the middle right here. Hopefully we can get to reach to the top. So that's where we're going. We're going through these small streets, which I absolutely love this thing about Europe. These small stone streets and stone buildings. Nothing beat the historic feel. Wow, you can see it much better from here. Can you see the tower? There it is in the middle, this tall thing. That's where we're heading. So we made it to the tower and we paid €6 per adults to come inside. And we're going up the step because there is no elevator. It is so old. And of course my husband with his brave self tried to look down how far we are. And he knows that he's not supposed to do that. But I'm trying to keep up with the kids. They've gone ahead and I'm dying. Okay, 100,000 steps later, and we haven't reached the top of it. I'm out of breath. Here. I'm gonna ask Tyler when they reach the top how many steps did he count, because I know he's counting. But the view should be worth it when I reach the top.
Yeah, hop with the wizard.
You see him? Ty?
Yes.
You see the kids? I'm trying. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. You're almost at the top.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, princess. Oh my gosh. Whew. This is nice. Look at them. They're good. I love it. What an experience. Oh my gosh. Watch, babe. Babe, what are you doing? You know you're not supposed to do that. So I don't know why you're looking over there. It never, oh my God. It never ends. Oh my gosh. It's never ending. It's going up and up and up and up. Oh my gosh, look down there, honey. Baby, you're not looking down there. You guys, look where we're coming from. And that's not the bottom, huh?
Mama.
Yeah?
Where I am is 200 steps.
You're at 200? Wow. Let me give you guys a peek of the view. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. Oh, wash your head, babe. Okay, so steps getting smaller and smaller and smaller. If you're big, don't come up here because then you're gonna get stuck. Okay.
Hold on.
I think we made it. Stop, guys. Stop. Stop. Wait. Stop right there. That's a view from this side. See the people down there? They're like a dot. And my kids are anxious to go to the top. You don't go to the top without me. Wait. Okay, go now. Where we were? Careful because it's still slippery. Too small. Okay, we made it. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look all around. Sarah, no?
Wow.
Go. Sarah climbing, but he's not laughing. Go in the corner. Wow. What a beautiful lookout spot.
Can't see.
You can see there's a dry piece right there beside Tyler.
With a big flag de book, but I didn't saw it. With a big flag de book, but I didn't saw
That's okay, Ty. That's okay.
See one?
Yes, over here. We're going through this open space where it's like a nice 360. Go around restaurants. So much people. Trying to find ice cream. Come on. Come.
Uno del pistachio.
Gelateria. Okay. Yeah. We're getting ice cream. Can't come to Italy and don't get ice cream. They say Italy have the best ice cream. Small cone, 1 scoop. Okay, there we go. Tyler, you eat, go around, not up.
Less.
Yes. If you can put just a little less on it.
Yes.
For her?
Just one
yes.
Plus. Okay?
Yes, please. Perfect. Thank you. Yes, cheesecake for me.
The same cone?
Cono piccolo.
Yes, you can bite it. That's why you lick it, go it around, not up. Eat the biscuit off the top first. Ice cream time. Sarah. It's gonna fall. Take off the biscuit with your hand. Take it off. Take it off. Eat it. You don't want it? Ah. Go, Papa. Go. Follow Papa. Follow Papa. Okay, you guys. We left our first stop, which was in a beautiful, beautiful city called Luca. It was worth the stop, I must say, especially the tower that we visited all the way up the top. That was nice. Now we're heading to our hotel to check in for the night, but we're not staying there just yet because we have another stop to go to. So in that case, I'm gonna end this vlog right here and then start another vlog when we get to the hotel and to another stop. So hopefully you guys enjoy Luca with us. If you're ever in Tuscany, that's the name of the area, and I'm looking at this little old bridge to the side that I have to show you guys. Look how nice that look. What a beautiful sight. I don't know if in the past if something used to run on it or people used to walk on it, but it's long and it looks so good. Just abandoned right there. It looks good though. Oh babe? Yes, and it's pure greenery around right now. Pure greenery, which I love. Greenery gives me peace, literally peace. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, which I'm sure you did. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and if you're ever in the area, Tuscany, Luca, the little city, is a beautiful stop. It's a must stop. You won't be disappointed in Italy. Anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Sarah is sleeping. Tata, say bye. Bye. Papa, say bye.
Bye.
See you guys.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing